Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now. Friends, in this video I will show you the live price change occur in a Holochain and what's going in a Holochain in the previous days. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Holochain crypto. Now let's get started the video. What's a change occur in the Holochain and the previous last day. As you can see here, the previous days, the last 3 days, the 7 days, the last 1 month of Holochain is absolutely good. But if we see, as you can see here, at this time after today as a start of today, they start falling down. As you can see here, falls down, and the previous hour they take a jump, and very fastly take a jump. But if we look, it's a shock news for all Holochain news holders. As you can see here, they continuously falling down. As you can see here, the last change occurred, the last 1 day change as negative 1.01% change occur in a Holochain, as it's a very bad change occur in the Holochain. Surprise for all Holochain holders. As you can see here, the high price of Holochain is about $0.024352 is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 day. And if you look the current price, so it's a really small price according to the last 1 day high price. And the current price is $0.0222915 is the high price of the last 1 day. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's going in the Holochain in the last 1 hour. Currently, what's the condition of Holochain in the market? As you can see here, now currently they take a jump, but maybe they take a high jump, and this is a high explosion of the Holochain starts now, and again they explode very high, they goes to moon. So the average change occur in a Holochain in the last 1 hour is a negative, because they due to the continuously falling. That is why the change is negative 1.13% change occur in the Holochain, and the high price of Holochain is about $0.023179 is the high price of Holochain in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, that is live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 1 day you are watching now. So the currently condition of Holochain is very good. As you can see here, they start explosion, so maybe they goes upward there, maybe they goes to moon in the last in the future. So please hold your Holochain. If you are a holder, please hold it. I'm also hold my Holochain coin, so please my suggestion for you to also please hold it with the end of this month, and because your big explosion are coming soon. So please remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.